Greetings, it's Tiffany from Huiyao Laser Technology. So in today's episode, I am about to show you all the key components to assemble the lithium battery module and also show you which part does. Whether you're trying to build the lithium battery module for energy storage or electric vehicle, understand these parts are the first step for you to get started. So without further ado, let's go. This is the battery cell. The battery cell is the core energy storage components of the entire battery system. For energy storage application, common cell capacity includes 280 Ah, 314 Ah, 587 Ah, and 628 Ah prismatic cells. The battery cell determines the voltage, capacity, and energy of the final battery module. Between battery cells, we usually apply cell glue or adhesive foam tape. Its main functions are fixing cell position, absorbing vibration, improving insulation, reducing mechanical stress. This helps improve long-term reliability and safety. These are end plates. The end plates provide mechanical compression to the battery cells. During charging and the discharging cycle, battery cells expand and contract slightly. The end plates help maintain structural stability and improve cycle life. Steel straps, aka steel belt, are used to slightly secure the module structure. After assembly, the steel straps maintain compressing force on the cell and help preventing deformation during operation. Next is the CCS, which stands for Cell Contact System. CCS integrates voltage collection, temperature sensing, signal transmission. Instead of connecting wire one by one manually, CCS simplifies assembly and improves consistency. It has become a standard solution in modern battery module. After all the components are assembled together, we obtain a complete battery module. This module can then move to the next production stage, including laser cleaning, laser welding, UL testing, pack assembly, before finally became part of battery energy storage system or electric vehicle battery pack. So if you are interested to build your own battery module and pack assembly line, or you want to learn more of this battery module manufacture technology, feel free to reach out to us. You can also reach out to me by this email address and this WhatsApp. Oh, and also you can also reach out to our Huiyao Laser team, to my colleague Zoe and Edward. We all will be at your contact. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next episode. Bye.